Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're reviewing one of the most trusted names in home cleaning, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum Cleaner NV356E. This model is a top-rated choice for pet owners, homeowners, and anyone looking for deep, effortless cleaning across all floor types. At first glance, the Shark NV356E combines sleek design and serious suction power. It's an upright vacuum with lift-away technology, which means the canister detaches so you can easily clean stairs, furniture, or above-floor surfaces without the bulk of the full unit. Inside, you'll find powerful multi-surface suction designed to handle everything from thick carpets to bare floors with ease. The swivel steering feature allows you to maneuver smoothly around furniture and tight corners, while the anti-allergen complete seal technology and HEPA filter traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, a true lifesaver for allergy sufferers or pet owners. This model comes with specialized attachments including a crevice tool for edges and corners, and a dusting brush for delicate surfaces like shelves or blinds. The XL capacity dust cup minimizes emptying, and the lightweight design makes it easy to carry from room to room. Pet owners will love how efficiently it removes pet hair from carpets, upholstery, and hardwood floors without tangling. With a 1200-watt motor, 25-foot power cord, and a wide cleaning path, the NV356E offers both convenience and deep cleaning performance. Whether you're cleaning a full house or just tackling quick messes, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E gives you professional results at home. It's built for power, versatility, and reliability, all in a lightweight, easy-to-use design. If you're ready to experience powerful cleaning that adapts to every surface, check the Amazon link below and subscribe to Gadgetverse for more top home tech reviews. Buy on Amazon and subscribe to Gadgetverse for more daily gadget reviews.